Pretekli vikend so 14.000 glavo množico na dveh predstavah kljub -10 stopinjam Celzija v centru za preživljanje prostega časa Schwarzl navdušili freestyle, motocross, BMX in quad-artisti. Vrhunec večera pa so bile akrobacije, ki jih je Justin Hover izvajal z motornimi sanmi. Po šovu smo se pogovarjali z vrhunskim freestylerjem Metzgerjem, ki se je Masters of Dirt pridružil iz Kalifornije.
This is actually my first time on the Masters of Dirt tour, so super excited to be here, super excited to be riding with old buddies that I haven't got to ride with in years and years, you know. Masters of Dirt rules!
So in 3 weeks you're coming to Ljubljana.
I don't really know what to expect. You know, I heard that Vienna's, you know, out of control, and I'm sure, you know, Slovenia will be just as good. I'm looking forward to hanging out the next month here in Europe and, you know, just enjoying good times with friends and trying to learn some more stuff on my dirt bike.
What about the field girls? Were they a distraction tonight?
I try not to look at them, you know. If I start looking at their butts and their boobs, then I'll start making mistakes. So I try to not look at the girls.
How many could you take for a ride on your bike?
Oh, I'm sure I could fit all the field girls on my bike, but I don't think my wife would dig that too much. So thank God my wife's at home waiting for me with my 3 beautiful kids, and you know, I'm here to put on a good show, have a good time with everyone. There isn't quite anything like Masters of Dirt in the world. Nobody puts on as good of a show as these guys, so I'm super happy to be a part of it finally.
That's our aim in the show, to be a massive distraction. We like to kind of warm up the crowd, you know, get the crowd going and make them cheer for the riders, especially this year because some of the guys are doing like bigger and better stunts and, you know, kind of world records and stuff. So yeah, so that's what we're here for really.
What does it take to become a fuel girl?
Oh God, okay, right, we're kind of like really ballsy, kind of energetic, high energy girls. You know, we like to try new things, we like to get involved in the stunts. We fire breathe, we powerboat race, we drift cars. Guys are winding me up now. Yeah, just girls like to kind of get their hands dirty and get involved in stuff. You know, we're not kind of girly girls that are frightened to break a nail. So yeah, just really get involved with what's going on.
So how many are you in the group?
So far, oh God, see, it's been going for about 8 years now, Fuel Girls. We have about 10 main girls, and then we have kind of like standing girls that we kind of swap around and mix it up and stuff. So yeah, there's quite a few of us. It's been going for a while, and we have a big group of girls.
So this year you're coming to Slovenia in 3 weeks.
I know, oh my God, everyone's been talking about it, everyone's getting so excited, you know, it's just, we've got so much planned for this year and it's going to be amazing, yeah. Well done guys, you've done well.
Do it. Suck my cock.
Preden pa smo uspeli Vanesi postaviti naslednje vprašanje, nam je Edgar iz rok iztrgal mikrofon in sam nadaljeval intervju z mlado damo.
Promoción. Now is good. Do you like the freestyle?
It's really shit actually.
Why not? Why?
I can do it better with my eyes closed. Yeah.
Do you like just finish off event? One guy, the name is E.T., you know?
Oh, E.T., oh my God, he's amazing. He's the only guy that I love, yeah.
Why?
Because he's so hot, he's so amazing, he's so talented.
More.
Are you,
Love you.
Are you coming to every MOD this
Love
year?
you.
I know he loves me. Are you doing every MOD this year?
For sure.
The whole tour?
For sure.
What's going to be your favourite place? other than Graz?
Vienna.
Huh?
I don't know.
Vienna or
No.
Slovenia?
I never raised in Slovenia.
Are they all good?
I like all the events.
You like all of them? See?
And you?
Oh, my favourite. Do you know what? I actually love every event as well.
Amazing.
There's no favourite. Who's your favourite field girl?
Albanesa.
I'm very satisfied with tonight's show. Unfortunately, the tandem mini bike backflippers crashed and the double front flip didn't work out. But hey, tomorrow is another day, and this was just a good practice for Ljubljana. Masters of Dirt is really ready to come to Ljubljana and rock that place.
Is the show going to be the same as we saw today?
There will be no snowmobile and there will be no tandem flip, and double front flip is not sure, it might be, but there will be a quad, there will be 8 FMX riders, mini bikers, BMX riders who will also do front flips. Of course the Fuel Girls will be there, so the show will be just as good. We have riders from Botswana in Africa, we have riders from France, from Spain, from Japan, from England, from America. We have Mike Metzger, the godfather of freestyle motocross, who has never been in Slovenia before, like most of our guys, and it's gonna rock.